Hi, this is Kyle Markham with International Futures Group, a division of EFG Group in Chicago. I want to give you some comments on the corn and soybean markets for today, August the 4th. It's a Tuesday. Corn, very quiet trade. I think it's a market that's desperate for news. You're seeing people already start to talk about disease, etc. As we've had all the strange weather and all that excess moisture. That's probably going to get the news for a while because there's just not much going on. Corn bounced a little bit. When the wheat market sold off, corn was back on the lows. The only thing I guess we can look forward to in the coming weeks is that August 12th report, as well as those September options that go off in 18 days. Corn seems to be desperate for news. The rallies are just consistently stuffed. And until we start to reject this chart area, regardless of where the stochastics are, price action leaves a lot to be desired. Moving on to the soybeans. It's interesting, you notice that you see August beans down, November beans up. Obviously there was a pretty significant move in the August versus everything spreads. Today we saw that liquidate a little bit, so the November was firm. Once again though, 7 or 8 cents off the high for quite a bit of the session. I don't think that's particularly good. I'd like to see the beans do something on their own in November, regardless of that August contract. As we get closer to moving it off the board, we've gotten rid of the options. We've gotten through first notice day, so let's see what the November can do. Obviously, we've still got that gap above the market. Last time I said we wanted to see 930 hold. We ran the stops under 930 yesterday. There was no follow through. We got a bounce. Let's see if we could add to that tomorrow. One other note, soybean oil has just been beaten mercilessly over these last several weeks. We didn't take out the contract low in December yesterday. There's not much else you can say for it because once again, we were about 30 ticks off the high on the close. So I'd like to see a reversal in that market depending on what crude oil does. Obviously, you're watching El Nino. You've seen some special reports out about potential upside for soybean oil. It remains to be seen. We need some more news, and really we need some volume and some activity. Markets generally today across all the asset classes were light volume and really kind of boring. So that's all we have for today. Again, this is Kyle with International Futures Group in Chicago, a division of EFG Group. Thanks for listening and have a great day.